Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you with us. Today, we're reviewing a product that's been designed to cater to dry and sensitive skin, something many of us struggle with, especially in colder weather. We're diving into the La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Plus Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. This product is a face and body lotion that claims to help with dry, rough, and sensitive skin. It's formulated with shea butter and niacinamide, both of which are known for their moisturizing and soothing properties. The cream comes in a 13.5 fluid ounce bottle, which is a good size for both daily use on the face and body. It's advertised as a long-lasting moisturizer designed to give the skin a lasting, hydrating effect. Now let's talk about my experience. I've been using this cream for a few weeks, and the first thing I noticed was its texture. It's rich but not too thick, and it absorbs into the skin fairly quickly without leaving a greasy residue. When I applied it to my face, I did feel a noticeable difference in hydration, which lasted through the day. No reapplication necessary. However, I did feel that it was a bit heavy for my face on warmer days, so it might not be ideal for all skin types, particularly if you tend to get oily. For the body, this cream performed a lot better. It was especially soothing after a long day or post-shower, leaving my skin soft and visibly smoother. I could also see a reduction in dry patches after consistent use, so in that regard, it delivers what it promises for those with rough or dry skin. It was also very gentle on sensitive areas like elbows and knees, which I appreciated. Let's move into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is quite effective at hydrating and improving skin texture, especially for areas prone to dryness. The inclusion of niacinamide is a definite win, as it helps support the skin's barrier. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. On the downside, the cream's richness might not suit everyone. For those with combination skin or oily areas, it can feel a bit heavy, particularly on the face. The price might also be a concern for some, as it's higher than your typical drugstore body lotion, but you are paying for a high-quality brand and formulation that's backed by dermatologists. Is this product worth the price? I'd say yes, especially if you have very dry or sensitive skin that needs something nourishing. If you're looking for something lightweight or a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives out there that can get the job done. When comparing this to other moisturizers in the same category, La Roche-Posay's offering stands out due to its dermatological expertise, and it certainly performs better than some more generic lotions. However, there are also similar products that provide good hydration at a lower price point, so consider what matters most to you: ingredients, brand reputation, or cost. In terms of build quality, the bottle is durable and easy to use with a secure cap that dispenses the cream without mess. The pump would have been a nice addition for easier dispensing, especially if you're applying it all over your body. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer service for this product, but La Roche-Posay is well known for offering good support in case you need it. If you're considering alternatives, some more affordable options include CeraVe or Vanicream, which also offer gentle formulas suitable for sensitive skin, but with a simpler ingredient list. To sum it up, the La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Plus Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream is a strong choice for those with dry, rough, or sensitive skin. While it's a bit rich for oily or combination skin types, its ability to moisturize and soothe is hard to beat. If you're looking for a reliable dermatologist-recommended option, it's worth considering. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more skin-loving reviews and tips here on Beautyistic. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any thoughts on this product or want to share your own experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, stay radiant, stay beautiful, and see you next time on Beautyistic.